MD Vinyl Widget app. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you the review of MD Vinyl Widget app. So to install this app, you should simply go on the Google Play Store or App Store. Now after that, what you can do is simply go on the top search bar. After going on the top search bar, you can simply search for MD Vinyl, and then you will see the application option. Tap on the install option and you will see many options right here. So what is the work of MD Vinyl is, it is a music app where you can connect it with Spotify as well, and you can hear the Spotify music in MD Vinyl as well. Also, it has its own widgets from which you can hear the songs as well. You can connect it with your playlist also to listen the song on MD Vinyl. So it is a very good widget option if you want to hear a song of a Spotify, your music playlist, and everything in combined. And also you will find its own widgets on MD Vinyl. So that's how you can do it. Talking about its review as well, it's pretty good, and also the rating also pretty good, and it has also fixed all the bugs and improved stability is what it says. So you can simply try this and see if it works good or not. For me, I think MD Vinyl Music Widget is very good. You can simply install the MD Vinyl, open it by tapping on the continue option, allow all the notifications as well. So whichever is disabled, you can just enable and open it. After allowing it, you will need to connect your music player. After connecting it with your music player, you can also connect it with your Spotify, and you can simply hear the music in MD Vinyl. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.